MongoDB Indexing. Understanding indexes and query performance optimization. Boost your MongoDB performance with strategic indexing. What are MongoDB indexes? Indexes are data structures that improve the speed of data retrieval operations on a MongoDB collection. Think of indexes like a book's table of contents. Instead of reading every page to find a topic, you jump directly to the right section. Query performance impact. Without index, order of in. Collection scan. Examines every document. With index, order of log n. Direct lookup. Finds documents instantly. Types of MongoDB indexes. Single field. Index on one field for basic queries. Compound. Multiple fields combined in one index. Text. Full text search capabilities. Geospatial. Location-based queries and operations. Creating indexes. Basic syntax. To create an ascending index on the email field, use the command db.users.createIndex with the key email set to 1. To create a descending index on the created@at field, use the command db.users.createIndex with the key created@at set to -1. Note: 1 equals ascending order and -1 equals descending order. Compound indexes. Multiple fields in one index. Index on status and created@at fields. The command is db.orders.createIndex, specifying status as 1 and created@at as -1. Index on category, price, and rating. The command is db.products.createIndex, specifying category as 1, price as 1, and rating as -1. Field order matters. Queries benefit most when they match the index field sequence. Index management commands. To view indexes, list all indexes using the command db.collection.getIndexes. To drop an index, remove a specific index using the command db.collection.dropIndex, specifying the index such as email 1. To get index statistics, get index usage stats using the command db.collection.aggregate, then use $indexstats. To measure query performance, explain query execution using the command db.collection, find.explain, execution stats. Best practices and key takeaways. Index frequently queried fields. Focus on fields used in find, sort, and aggregation operations. Monitor index usage. Use explain and index stats to identify unused indexes. Consider write performance. Too many indexes can slow down insert and update operations. Order matters in compound indexes. Place most selective fields first for optimal performance. Strategic indexing transforms MongoDB performance from slow collection scans to lightning-fast targeted queries. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.